everyone.
Hi there.
Friend of Frank, Java Walker World. Early Sunday morning, it's about 11. So we're going to go a little bit out of Collingwood and see. We've heard of Thornbury. Heard it's a cute little town, the coffee shops, some quaint shops to visit.
Nice coffee shops, which is always up our alley.
Yeah, and just off of Georgian Bay. So we're on our way out there. Looks like it's only about 23 minutes, it says, so it shouldn't be too long. So come along with us and see what Thornbury has to offer. Hopefully it's just not a thorn in the backside, but we'll see and find out.
Walk with us.
We are Frank and Fern with Java Walker World. Join us on our journey to quench our thirst for the simple pleasure of a good coffee and explore our magnificent world one step at a time.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
The village of Thornbury is located at the junction of Beaver River and South Georgian Bay at the base of the Niagara Escarpment.
On the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling,
We're going to do what we love most, experience the local downtown center, pop into some shops, enjoy an easygoing coffee.
pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far.
The village of Thornbury was incorporated in 1831.
Can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.
In 2001, the village of Thornbury was re-merged with Collingwood Township to form the town of Blue Mountain Municipality.
We only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
The town of Thornbury was a shipping and processing center for local produce, especially apples, through its harbor on Georgian Bay, Lake Huron.
Out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life.
Railway service reached this community in 1872. Regular passenger service ceased in 1960. By 1985, the railway line was abandoned.
Bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life?
Thornbury has become a winter and summer destination for individuals from Toronto and the GTA.
Darling, I love it when it's me and you.
In winter, skiing and all types of winter activities in the area and on Blue Mountain is great fun.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair.
In summer, cottagers love their outdoor activities, which include sailing, boating, hiking, camping, just to mention a few.
Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around. Wanna see it now? Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Thornbury Harbor.
Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a
Thornbury
really good
Yacht
time.
Club.
Driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's
There are
get
many
out,
late
we can
19th
leave
century
this
homes
city.
on the tree-lined streets, adding to its character.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Well, that was one very busy, windy day here
Windy day.
in Thornbury, Ontario.
Yeah, where you get a thorn on your side walking through Thornbury on a windy day like
We have never been to Thornbury, so it's very close to Blue Mountain, or part of the Blue Mountain communities. It is an extremely, we just had this morning a extreme thaw. I think it's 7 or 9 degrees Celsius, which is really warm for this time of year. We're going to get another freeze up coming tonight. So this is maple syrup, perfect conditions for maple
yeah,
syrup.
my nose is dripping maple syrup.
Warm days and cold nights. So we Canadians love our maple syrup. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. We're just going to drive on and see what other footage we can get to add to the vlog, and
go from there. So keep following us, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, much appreciated,
Yeah.
and keep walking with us.
yeah, because we have some big news coming after
Yeah,
this video.
it's coming up. It's coming up soon. It's gonna be a surprise.
So come and join us and walk with us. Thank you.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.